Sensational claim by the Sushant Singh Rajput family. His father was questioned by the CBI today, and this is the statement that Mr. KK Singh, father of Sushant Singh Rajput, who filed the FIR with Bihar police today, says. He has said that this is murder of his son Sushant Singh Rajput. So between 25th of July, when they first filed the FIR with Bihar police, to now, from abetment of suicide, now the family charges murder in this case. Priyank Tripathi joining me live. Priyank, this is a sensational statement given by the father of Sushant Singh Rajput to the CBI. Is the accused still the same? Because abetment to suicide has changed to murder now, murder as the charge.
Yes, certainly, Navika, that is a big breaking which is coming out from the statement which has been given by the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput and father, Mr. KK Singh. Their statement was recorded in Faridabad by the Central Bureau of Investigation. What the family has said, that looking at the present circumstances, I'm quoting them, looking at the present circumstances, it appears that it is a case of murder. Hence, the CBI should look into this case as an aspect of murder, not to as an attempt abetment to suicide, which was claimed earlier by the father of Sushant Singh Rajput in his statement which he gave it to Bihar police officials. So that is a big input coming out. Looking at the Times Now investigation, the family has been very minutely observing every detail which has been coming out on Times Now, and they have in fact quoted that as per the media report, as per the looking into the present circumstances, we want this case to be probed as a case of murder because Sushant Singh Rajput's deliberate attempt to be killed and the kind of circumstances under which these evidences were destroyed, the family wants this case to be probed as a case of murder, not as a case of abetment to suicide. Now it's up to the CBI officials that if they find something suspicious in their course of investigation, they can certainly turn up the case from abetment to a case of murder. Similar thing, Anavika, which happened in Sunanda Pushkar case, where the Delhi police kept on doing inquest proceeding, and after a while, on 31st, when Mr. Bhim Sen Basi, the then police commissioner of Delhi police, came on record and said that we have been probing this case as a case of murder, similar kind of situation can also happen in this case. So that is a big input which we are getting in the news.
Well, big breaking news coming in. Shehzad Poonawalla, the father, now charges murder and wants the CBI to investigate this as a murder. Your first reaction?
You see, Navika, I'm sure that after the number of disclosures made by Times Now, including today's disclosures of the ambulance attendant, the missing pages of the diary, the other facts and circumstances brought out by the relentless coverage of Times Now, it was obvious that Mr. KK Singh Rajput would basically go for this kind of option because he knows that his son has been subjected to this kind of torment. But the question really is, Navika, the hypocrisy. You see, in the Loya case, the family said that they don't want to pursue the case because they are convinced with the facts. But there, the same brigade of journalists and so-called activists said that nahi, ye murder hai. And today, when the family is screaming ki ye murder hai, ye hamare saath anyay hua, so the same political and so-called activists are coming out and saying, oh no, why are you giving it a paint of murder? Why are you sensationalizing it? Why are you raising these questions and facts? This is the hypocrisy that I was trying to bring out in my previous comment as well, Navika. And this clearly shows that the only person being victimized, or the only set of people being victimized here, is Sushant Singh Rajput and his family. And minus Times Now, and I say it again, minus Times Now, Sushant Singh Rajput would not have got justice because the entire Prashasana of Maharashtra government is only aiming at covering up, not at finding the truth and the justice for Sushant.